guys, it's me, Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. And today, I am going to be showing you some of my fidget toys. And I will show you how to make one. So, oh wait, let me show you my made one. And if you didn't notice, I've got my car. Oh good. I literally got my leg stuck and I thought, yeah, these are clean. So first of all, I've got this. This is not homemade. It's not. Santa got it for me for Christmas. And next, I'm going to show you the made home ones last, and then I've got this. These are all made. I just found this. I found this. If you didn't know, there's this bit that makes noise. Oh, into there. So it's just paper scrunched up. Just do that to it. So lame. Boring. And I've got this. No. Then I got these. And then homemade ones now. And then I've got this orange stove. I've got two of them. That here. And then got another white marshmallow soap. Last of all, the biggest and fattest one. This balloon. Cool, right? I'm just doing my finger. So we've got nothing left because it's a tiny bucket. So let's put everything back.